Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this mouth sync filter on Snapchat. So this is the filter. I don't have anyone here. Let me show you something in my PC. Let's open this image. Okay, let's down the let me select the filter. Yep. So as you can see, lip sync is working properly. So this is the filter, guys. Let me remove the filter first. Okay, the filter is gone. To get this filter on Snapchat, what you can do, you can visit this website. Link to this website I'll give in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the snapcode for this filter. If you're browsing this website in your laptop or PC, you can scan the snapcode with your Snapchat mobile app, and if you're browsing this website in your mobile, just tap on the snapcode and open it with Snapchat. Okay, and you will see this pop-up, unlock for 48 hours. Just tap there. Okay, and there you go, you got the filter. Okay, so that's it, guys. Likewise, you can get this filter and use this filter on Snapchat. So thanks for watching the video, guys. See you in the next video.